Definition of service, section 2, subsection 102 of CGST Act 2017. Services means anything other than goods, money and security, but it includes activities relating to the use of money or its conversion by cash or by any other mode from one form, currency or denomination to another form, currency or denomination for which a separate consideration is charged. It means service includes transactions in money but does not money and securities, meaning thereby if transaction is done without any separate charge or consideration, then it is not considered as service. So here 2-3 things are very important. That means service means everything other than goods, money and security. Because goods, we have already discussed the definition of goods under section 2 subsection 52 of CGST Act 2017, and money and security both are not covered, but use of money is covered under the definition of service. Services means services of doctor, services of chartered accountant, services of lawyer, services of bank, and so many kinds of examples that can be given for services. Now let us understand the use of money. Transaction in money relating to use of money or its conversion by cash or by any other mode from one form, currency or denomination to another form, currency or denomination for which a separate consideration is charged, then it is a service. For example, DD. If person goes to a bank and बैंक में जाके उसने ऐसा बोला कि मुझे एक डिमांड ड्राफ्ट बनवा दो, 10,000 का डिमांड ड्राफ्ट उसने बनवाने का लिए बैंक को बोला. नाउ बैंक हैज प्रिपेयर्ड दिस 10,000 डिमांड ड्राफ्ट, but for that bank has charged some separate commission, and it is like example we can say that 200 is charged from by bank to that person. Now GST is payable on rupees 200, not on 10,200, because what is the amount of consideration that is being charged by bank for preparation of demand draft? It is only rupees 200. So GST is applicable on rupees 200 and not on the entire amount, because it is a use of money. You are using the money or you are converting money from one currency or denomination to another currency or denomination. Another example, exchange of money from one denomination of money to another denomination of money. Let us take one example. If rupees 2000 note is exchanged for 20 notes of rupees 100, then it is a transaction in money. But if in consideration rupees 1900 is given, then GST becomes payable on rupees 100, because 100 rupees is charged for exchange of money from one denomination to another denomination, and for that GST is payable on rupees 100. One more example to explain the thing. If currency is converted from one form to another form, say for example a person is having some dollars with him, now he is going to some money transfer agencies, okay, and he tells them that please convert this dollar into rupees, and for that they will charge some separate commission for it. Now it is what? It is service provided by money transfer agencies. So that is why whatever commission that they are charging will be considered as services, and GST will be leviable on that amount which is charged by money transfer agency. So once again, services means everything is included, but goods, money and securities are not included. But use of money or conversion of money from one form, denomination, to another form, currency or denomination, then for which a separate consideration is charged, then it is considered as a services. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.